Hey y'all, hey, let's just get right into it. You are looking at my living room and it is, it's messy. If you've never been here before, I feel bad for you, but it's okay. My living room is messy, but we are going to get it all cleaned up today. And I hope that you guys feel free to clean along with me. If you are cleaning along with me, let me know down in the comments what area of the home you are trying to tackle while you watch me clean. I intended for this video to be like the whole downstairs, but as I got more involved into the cleaning process, it became a little bit difficult for me, and I just knew that I didn't want this video, my first cleaning video in the new home, to be super duper long. So I just opted to just clean the living room and the little dining space, just so you guys can enjoy some of this motivation from me, because it has been forever and I really wanted to provide something that I just have been sleeping on. But anyway, I'm going to be using this Clorox disinfectant multi-purpose spray. It smells really good. We sneeze a lot in the first part of the day, like early in the morning, like everybody is sneezing. I don't really know why. Maybe I really don't know. It could be that this new home is not carpeted downstairs. Like the upstairs, it has carpet. So the dog is always downstairs. I don't let him upstairs because there is carpet. And I don't really want him to start marking his territory in this space upstairs. So it could be that we are just exposed to a lot more pet dander. But anyway, that's just what I'm dealing with. And I want to disinfect this downstairs as much as possible. I wanted to let you guys know that these placemats are wipeable. They look like linen, but like I said, they are wipeable. I want to zoom in on that hot sauce dot, which is probably from last night hot mess. But anyway, I really like them. When I purchased these from Crate and Barrel, they were on sale. I will have everything linked down in the description box as far as like anything that you may see that you're interested in, like furniture pieces, any decor that I was able to link. It will be down in the description box, so make sure you head down there if you're interested in any of the pieces that you see here in this video today. So I don't know if they're on sale currently, but like I said, I love them. They're wipeable. They are, I want to say, trendy. They're not like what you probably had back in the day when your grandmama's house was completely wrapped in plastic. But yeah, just check down in the description, see if you're interested in anything that I show you guys today.
I know that you're trying to fix me, but I don't want to be like you. If you want to take it back to the 50s, maybe I'm not the guy for you. You're dying not to work, but work until you die, you know that's true. Have you thought it through? Cause you love to tell me what to do. Say no, I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. You should go and get out, I'll make you regret it. Someone like you should worry about, maybe your two's upside down. And I'm not like you, I don't think that you get it. I don't wanna put on a smile, everybody expects.
Moving on to the little play area in the home now. This place where we live now is a bit smaller than where we moved from. I'm gonna have all of the previous videos linked in the description box as well if you are new here and you want to just play catch up because you just ain't got nothing to do right now and you just want to be tuned in a little bit deeper than if you stumbled upon me. I really do appreciate it. I really wasn't sure where my kids was gonna be able to do any activities, but I just made this little piece work here. I do not have a rug under the table. I don't think it's necessary because everything is just in such close proximity that it would just probably overwhelm the entire space. But it's working for them, it's working for me. The little cubicle white thing that you see there, that came from the previous play closet in our old home. The black cube storage containers, storage bins, are from IKEA, and I like them as an adult. I don't know if I can keep them for the kids because they are wicker, black wicker, and as of yet we haven't had any complications with them or them getting any splinters or anything, but I just don't know. I don't think that I read enough information before purchasing them. But as you can see, the kids are here while I'm cleaning up. So forgive all of the all the extra playing in front of the camera. I try to talk to Lucas. I let him know, stay away from the camera. But you know that goes in one ear, not the other. But it's okay. Cleaning in real life with kids can be a job within itself. So I do hope that this still motivates anybody out there with kids that you too can get it done. It's gonna be all right.
I've been feeling lost. I've been feeling empty. I've been holding on to someone that really wasn't worth it. I poured out my heart, gave it my all. In the end, it didn't matter. I'll go back to the start and heal my scars. I know I can do better. But now
Before I get into this entryway table here, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Denise. I feel bad that I didn't already let you guys know that earlier, but yeah, I just want to go ahead and tidy it up since I am tackling the whole area here. But I do not have any intention on keeping that little table or that little console table because I do have something else in mind, but I just want to give our finances a break because I have been buying stuff for this new place because we sold a lot of our old furniture. So yeah, I just want to chill out for a minute, but hopefully within the next week or so the new entryway table should be here soon. But yeah, about these pillows and this couch, I love the pillows. I'll have them linked in the description box. The couch is still an all-time favorite for me. At first I was a little skeptical because it's white, but I told you guys I don't let the kids eat anything wet on the couch. It's all just dry stuff, popcorn, goldfish, stuff like that, anything I can just vacuum up because it's just easier and it's gonna just keep the sofa nice and white and tidy for as long as possible. But it just feels so good and it's easy to just fluff everything up. As you can see, everything's looking a little bit flat in some areas, but just move it around a little bit, it fluffs right back on up. It's so comfortable. I love it.
Stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. So why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my
I found this little chest on the side of the road in the little community that we live in, and at first when I saw it, I drove past it, but when we were coming back home, it was still on the side of the road. So I just went ahead and got it, and now we have a place for all of our shoes, and everybody has a drawer of their own, and it keeps me from having to look at the shoes all over the place right beside the door. You guys know how it was previously. So yeah, everything it's got a home, and that's all I ever wanted.
God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, guess I know it now. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. God knows we tried. Yeah, yeah. Our time is up. Our time is up. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Last goodbye. Ooh yeah, yeah. There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the
I really wanted you guys to see what the coffee table looks like when Sugarfoot is not home, because he does not like this faux plant on the coffee table because it really obstructs his vision of the TV when he's sitting in the recliner. So this is what it looks like when he is not home. And I really want you guys to just see that the coffee table is just prettier when it does have something on it. I'm just gonna finish up this video by vacuuming the space. I really wanted to steam mop or mop the floors, but it was starting to get late and I really had to cook dinner. So yeah, I will end the video by showing you guys some before clips just so you guys can really appreciate the work that I put into making this living room nice and clean.
I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always prey on the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love not afraid to love. I'm gonna go where my heart is.
Okay, so this is what it looks like before. Oh my god, y'all, it gives me anxiety. Like, you have no idea how stressed out I get when it gets like this, because the place is so small, but like a lot of life gets lived here downstairs, so it's just intense sometimes. But this is the after. I can breathe, you can breathe, I'm sure. Just looking at it on the screen, it just looks so good. it smells good, even though you guys didn't see me spray anything. I did spray my favorite room spray. Yeah, I just absolutely love it. I really do appreciate you guys sticking around. If you are still here, please leave me your favorite smiley face emoji, just so I know that you guys enjoyed it right up to the very end. I thank you guys so very much. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good weekend. Bye.